Okay. Hey guys, we got some announcements. So I left for 5 or 6 weeks to do some training stuff, and we're gonna do a little garden tour because it's a lot different. The next couple of videos are gonna be about, what are they gonna be about, bud? They're gonna be about some restoration, some cleaning, some salvaging, saving what we can, getting rid of what we can't save, you know, those kind of things. Please like and subscribe. Welcome to Gallup Gardens, where you check us out for the gardening advice, and you stay for some wholesomeness for this guy. Yeah. All right. So stay tuned. So it's kind of like walking into the Lost Helligan Gardens here. Usually this is where we end our videos, but this is where we'll start. This is the composter, and it's completely overtaken. Little sunflower poking up. This is the green tunnel, which is definitely a green tunnel now. Oh, there's a kitty hiding in there. See that kitty, Sterling? Let's see. What do you think, huh? What do you think? Okay, let's see if we can get in here. I don't know if we can. Ugh. Completely overgrown. So we still got lots of grapes. Uh-oh, Mildred. Whoosh, spiderweb. Our flowers are blooming. They need to be deadheaded. Oh my gosh, the weeding I'm gonna have to do. All right. Okay, the morning glories are looking real pretty. So here's the sad part. Oh. Here's the veggie garden. Oof, goodness. The corn needs harvested. The okra's looking good. I got some peppers that need to be picked. Got some weeds that need to be pulled. Something's trying to get me. Sweet potatoes, watermelons, pumpkins, beefsteaks growing up. I'm gonna have to just take the mower or the weed eater here and attack. Squashes have spilled over. There's some butternuts. You want that corn? Yeah. Whoa, cucumbers. Whoops. Oh my gosh, look at the crystal apples. They're huge. Uh-huh. Little cukes. We gotta come and pull lots of cukes. See, when they get yellow like that, they're no good. These are tiger melons. Got some on the ground. Mildred brought one in the house yesterday. Oh goodness. More cukes. Hold on, I gotta put the baby down. Here's our tomatoes. They need to be, wow. There's so much that's gotta be done. I'm gonna have a busy, busy weekend. Brussels sprouts are looking good. Lots and lots to do. What do you guys think? He says it's kind of scary in here, Dad. It is a little bit. Let me get back here and look. Sunflowers. The tomatoes and tomatillos are huge. They've got to be picked and pruned and everything. So guys, stay tuned for the restoration. I got a lot of work this weekend. I think first I'm going to begin with moving the compost over and getting it turned. And that's going to set the foundation because I'm going to have to build new layers of compost. So, see, there we go. There's my tiger melon. Mildred, what are you doing with my tiger melon? She brings them in the house. She really likes them. Sit. So yeah, stay tuned. Compost, and then pruning, and then mowing, and weeding, and on it goes. Don't eat that. Don't eat that.